Alex channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah! Today we're making a homemade Play-Doh. Like Play-Doh, like it's homemade, but like, wait, how do I even make Play-Doh? Like, I'm just kidding. I know how. So you need this, which I don't know what it's called. You need this and a bowl of nothing. If you want to have clean clothes, wear an apron or like something over top, okay? Okay, mix it, mix. I don't care if my apron gets. So, what? Wow, this is a mess. Okay, slowly add water to make it like actually like wet. So like. Continue to add water until it becomes dough. Okay, I guess that's good. Okay, let's add some more. Okay. You should, and if you need like 1,000 of water, use this.
Water.
Why would I tell them that?
Leo.
So you just add more water and then stir it like this. I think that's good. It may be helpful to use a spatula. I don't even know why it's called that. Okay, this is not helping. This is just ruining my house. Okay. Add more water just in case. Just in case it's not really good looking. Now let's keep going. Now let's use the spatula. Yeah, here we go. It's getting like real dough. I don't know. Like make it make it a little funky and stuff. Oh, I forgot. There's no water right there. I need water right there. Use your hands to match it. But like, you don't have to. You can use like. This kind of looks like a beach. Like this water here. Get this washy. It's washed. It's getting a little funky. Wash it and like make it a little funky. Wow, looks like we're at the beach. Like making it like ruining sand or something. Looks kind of satisfying. This kind of looks like meat, like that ham, that type of ham. This kind of looks like that type of turkey roll. Now that's why I got the spatula. Yeah, there we go. We need a lot of water, man. This is like we're like running out of water. Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. Okay. I was just doing my dance. Don't worry about that. Now, let's keep going. Hold the dough on your table for some reason. I roll out the dough softly, like don't roll it out like hard. Like, okay, let's roll it out. Let's roll it out. Why is my cousin literally even watching this? Okay, now get a bowl and flip it upside down and and put some dough on it. Like, okay. Pick up the whole thing and drape it over. What does drape even mean? Yeah. So first we're gonna have to let it like stay on here for a few days so it dries, by the way, and like thanks for making book salt dough bowls with me. Or for me. Or I don't know. Like and subscribe. Ooh ah ba boo ba boo. Ooh ah ba boo ba boo. Ooh ba ba boo ba boo. Ooh ba.
Uh-oh.